these are our beautiful chickens. So we thought today we are going to create chickens because we inspired by our farm animal. Let's go see what do we need. Now we need a ball of clay, a wood slice so we can rotate the sculpture in every direction.
We're gonna need some water and this custom scoring tool. Also, we are going to use some sculpting tools. These ones we actually made, so go check out that video on our channel.
Alright, so let's get started. Now we do have a ball of clay and we're going to take the half. Alright, and then we create with this a ball. Alright, so let's go create a ball. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we put our ball to the wood and then we gently press, okay, gently press. So we don't want to press too thin our clay body, just like that, like this, okay, just like that, excellent, excellent. And then what we're going to do, we're going to draw a triangle in the middle, and every side of the triangle has to be equal size. All right, so let's go and make a triangle.
Also, guys, you can use one of your sculpting tools like a ruler.
And we cut off a triangle from these, cut out the triangle from these clay.
Having a small triangle.
Sorry, chickens, I didn't want to make it useful.
Okay. And then I know it doesn't look right now the chicken body, but that's gonna be the chicken's middle body part. So we finished, great. Now what are we going to do? We're going to round the edgy side. So we're going to make a nice round shape instead of the edges. All right. And then this is how it looks like right now. Good. So the next step is to grab a chunk of clay, not too much, okay, and then it doesn't have to be any kind of shape. You're just going to attach it to the middle of these triangles.
This one?
Okay, middle of the triangle, and then we're creating this bump in the middle. And then you're going to repeat the other side as well. The same amount of clay, and then the same place, just in the other side is going to be placed. And then, okay, everybody has
Yep.
the nice rounded middle, okay? All right, so this is how we look like right now. And then what we're going to do, you grab with your fingers the bottom side, and then you're going to push upward the other two sides, just like that, okay? And then one, so this side is gonna be the neck of the chicken, and this side is gonna be the tail feathers, okay? And then we worry about later the chicken's foot, but right now we're just working on the chicken's body, okay? So something like that. Great, very good, okay?
Mine's gonna be a chick, not a chicken.
Okay, and then next we're going to create the chicken's head. Now the chicken's head, we grab a little amount of clay and then we create an egg shape and we join to the top of the neck. All right, and yes, we have to score the sculpture. So let's go grab our scoring tools. And then scoring is really creating a rough surface on a clay, and then in the meantime we're creating a slip too. Now a slip is a liquid clay really, which is help glue the two parts together.
Also, if you've watched our channel, you see that we do scoring quite a bit.
Yeah, so we're going to score the head and the neck, where the two clay bodies going to attach together. Okay. Okay. And then guess what it's missing from the head?
Beak.
The beak, that's right. So what are we going to do? We're creating a cone shape, a teeny cone shape. Teeny tiny cone shape. And then we're going to attach it to the front of the head.
But if you
Something like
want,
that.
yeah, and if you want your chicken's beak to be open, you can just cut a little slice, and then it'll be open.
Okay, so this is how we look right now. And we can create the crown as well. A little amount of clay, tap it on a surface, and then cut out a zigzag shape on the top. Alright, so I put on the top that crown. I'm gonna score it, and then we add the crown the top of the chicken's head.
So here's how they look right now. And the next thing you have to do is, if you want them to stand perfectly, you can just tap the bottom to make them stand.
Alright, so this is how our chicken look right now. That's great. And if you would like to draw some detail, you just grab a tool and then you draw the chicken's feather, okay, on a side. Just keep it nice and simple.
Also, you can use your little scoring tool to make two little eyes. You might not see mine though. These are so small.
That's right, so that's the last step, right, Emma? To create the chicken eyes.
So here's our chicks. So we're gonna let them dry and put them in the kiln for the first firing. And we'll be back to glaze. So we had a successful firing with our chicken, and today we're gonna glaze them.
What do we need is glaze, brushes and water. I decided to color my chicken orange brown. The crown, it's gonna be red. And here is the color suggestion. So what kind of color you decided to?
I'm gonna make my a white chicken. I'm gonna make my chicken a white chicken, and yeah, I'm gonna black eyes and the crown.
Red, okay. And you, Emma?
I think I'm not sure yet.
Okay, so let's start glazing our sculpture, and then we will come back after when we glazed the chicken.
So we finished glazing our sculpture, and this is how they turned out.
We're going to put back in a kiln, and then we come back with a beautiful slideshow. Thank you so much for watching.
Make sure to like and subscribe.